5 fucking minutes into this video and there's already bug shit on my window.
You hit it.
I didn't hit it, it ran into me. Look at it. Look at it, I just washed the windows.
There is the stalled vehicle.
Oh, there's a stalled vehicle, okay.
Oh.
Okay. 5 minutes and the bug shit on my window. Alright. We're still driving.
How am I getting on camera?
So much shit popping right now, I swear. So we got like a whole gang of bikes. There's a SWAT truck, there's the feds, there's a state trooper like parked like this fucking thing on the highway. I'm trying to catch the bikes, but there's nowhere to catch them. They're gone. Yeah, we are. Fuck it. Here we go. Alright guys, we made it to the meet. Jacob's here, but he doesn't want to be on YouTube, so because he's lame as fuck. Well, we'll shout him out, low-key. So Drop Dead Media on Instagram. Put it right here in the description. My hat's gonna blow off. I don't know, we saw some crazy bikes and we saw a SWAT truck and the feds on the way here. But I don't know if we got on I don't know if we got on video, so we'll have to see.
Feathers been calling, my enemies stalling, my people been balling, my team we been wildin'. Canada 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving where we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the road. We was just rebels, ain't do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up, without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spare no one. Gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game. Falling, I'm balling on top of that mountain. I'm on and I'm calling my mama to tell her I'm good. I'm surrounded by family like back in the hood. I was falling from grace, I was misunderstood. Hey, the pressure will sit you right down, but I stood up. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. On the balcony screaming, they just let me be. We had to slow it down. What goes around comes around. Oh, the frequency different now. I was going through different rounds. Hey, it's crazy, the progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute now. I was on the wrong path, I admit it now. My only option was to get it now.
I got it on both and I learned from the losses. My failure was friendship, I saw it was costing. Started like everyone had certain tools. Only difference is I knew what to do. Now everyone calling when progress is stalling. My stock is missing, my life it ain't boring. Ain't no more hitting me up when you lose. When it's time to wake up, see you hitting the snooze.
When they ask me how we leveled up without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin no one. Gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game.
Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, yeah. The end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nose bleed. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the mind piece. Looking for the love inside me.
It's way too loud and the music was too loud to actually talk there. I couldn't even talk to Jacob and Maddie, so we're gonna go do some shopping before we head back home and get these videos uploaded. It's probably just gonna be a vlog of like the actual like cars and stuff that was there. But yeah, it was way too loud, which is why we're out here on the road, my annoying blinker on, trying to film the end of this. But she's gonna try to film me doing a pool, and I didn't tell her that, so yeah.
Okay.
Let's do that. Alright guys, we're back home. I'm exhausted and the camera's almost dead, so we're gonna go ahead and end it right there. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below if you want us to do another one of these. Hopefully we'll have some more stuff to film and they won't have music blaring the whole time, so I can actually talk about the cars that are there. But I'll try to tag everybody's car who I know in the video, so you can go follow them on Instagram. And like I said, go follow Jacob at DropDeadMedia on Instagram. But until next time guys, I'll see you.